In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all tasks, whether they're assigned or unassigned, in Clickup. This is an incredibly handy feature for keeping track of everything that's happening within your workspace, and it helps you remain organized and in control of your projects. The ability to pull all your tasks into one place allows for better planning and understanding of your workload. Let's start by navigating to the All Task level in Clickup. When you're in your Clickup workspace, hover over the left sidebar, and you'll see an option called All Task. By clicking on this, you can access a comprehensive view of every task in your workspace, regardless of their assignment. It's an excellent way to see everything that's going on, organized by whatever structure you're using, whether it's spaces, folders, or lists. Once you're in the All Task view, you might want to manage how tasks are displayed or categorized. That's where the Assignee sidebar comes into play. Up in the upper right corner of your interface, you'll notice a button labeled Assignees. Click on that, and it opens up the Assignee sidebar. Here, you can select specific assignees or even search for particular users to see the tasks assigned to them. What's great is that you're not limited to individual assignees. You can also explore tasks assigned to entire teams or see comments linked to certain users, giving you a deeper understanding of who's doing what. Now, let's talk about filtering tasks, which is another powerful tool within Clickup. The platform offers extensive filtering capabilities that allow you to refine your task list based on a range of criteria. This can greatly improve your workflow and ensure that you're focusing on what's most important. You can filter tasks by assignee, status, due date, custom fields, and more. For instance, you might want to create a view that only shows tasks assigned to you, or maybe you're interested in tasks that fall within a specific status or location. Whatever your needs, these filtering options can help narrow down the focus, making your task list far more manageable. Another tip to maximize efficiency is to save these filtered views for future use. When you've configured a set of filters that's particularly useful, saving that view ensures you can easily revisit it anytime without needing to set up the filters again. This can save you a lot of time and streamline your workflow. By following these steps, you'll be able to see, organize, and manage your tasks with ease, assuring a clear, efficient approach to your project management. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this tutorial helps you in mastering task management within Clickup.